What you're looking at here are the sensors from a DSG DQ381 gearbox. They've been a total nightmare for every Volkswagen driver since 2015. Today, I'm gonna show you how to easily replace them and save yourself a massive amount of money. For this job, you're gonna need 2 new sensors. I highly recommend original Bosch parts. You'll also need some needle nose pliers and a little bit of soldering skills. Since these are split into K1 and K2 sensors, I highly recommend replacing both of them. On the other side of the Mechatronic unit, I already showed you how they come installed from the factory. These are the 2 new original sensors that I ordered online from a reliable seller. And their price was incredibly cheap compared to buying a whole new Mechatronic unit. In the next part, I'm gonna show you how to pull out the old sensors using needle nose pliers and how to install the new ones. I also reinforce the connection between the sensors with an extra wire. And once the Mechatronic unit is back in the car, you'll need to do a gearbox adaptation. So stick around until the end of the video to see exactly how I did it.